Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, the police are on the hunt for a serial rapist in Portmore, St. Catherine. Now, the police say the suspect has so far attacked more than a dozen women in the Sunshine City. The latest attack was carried out only this morning. TVJ's Kirk Wright tells us more in this report.
Here is a suspect being captured on a closed-circuit television system trying to break into a house in Portmore. From the video, the suspect appeared to be clad in a T-shirt printed in army fatigue, short pants and a cap. He failed to gain entry to that house, but the video, which lasted for close to 5 minutes, revealed he was armed with a knife. But it appears the suspect had other implements he was using to try to gain entry. At one point, he dipped into his pocket and took out what's believed to be a hairpin. Head of the St. Catherine South Police Division, Superintendent Clive Blair, told TVJ News Center that over the past few weeks, the serial rapist invaded homes and attacked the victims at knife point.
So far, we have received about several cases reporting these incidents of rape. The areas that these rapes occurred in is the Bridgeport, Cumberland, Brayton, Portmore Pines, and Silverstone. As recent as this morning, we had a case of rape in the Portmore area. Its victims ranges from the ages of 19 to 60 years old.
Superintendent Blair gave a description of the rapist.
He's of medium build and dark in complexion. I was made the time that he strikes when he carries out his acts of rape is between 12 midnight and 4 a.m. in the morning. Right? And I was also informed by my staff that he does not use condoms when he carries out his acts of rape.
Investigators are now looking at CCTV footage of the suspect, and according to the superintendent, they are making progress. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.